Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're seeing what this Amazon package is that was left on my front porch. Whatever it is, I mean, this box is extremely big. You can see here, and it's pretty freaking heavy too. I'm not sure exactly what's in this box, but it's easily almost 24 by 24. This is a big box. So I'm gonna get it open here and see what it is. Some type of case. That's cool. That could be nice with Amazon ship guns. I had a bunch of ammo. Any y'all out there Trump fans? Let me know in the comments. Second Amendment, baby. Biden gets in office, him and Harris, they're a joke. They're going to try to get rid of that shit. Good night. It's heavy and it's wedged in there good. Got a zip tie on there. Let's see if we can pop it off with this knife. Alright. Let's open it up here. There's no name on the box. Let me just look on the other side. No, there's nothing at all on as far as name or... Damn, I was hoping it was like some Milwaukee products. I have a lot of Milwaukee tools. And they come in red cases. That'd be nice. Maybe some Craftsman stuff would have been alright. What is it, sockets? Oh! It's a master ball joint press set. Sweet! What it is, it's a, what's that? Master ball joint press. For doing ball joints and what is that? Oh, that's sweet. Yeah, ball joint press. You can use them for numerous things, from pressing guide pins in and out of brake shoes, vehicle that has shoes, not pads. Ball joints, obviously. Guide pins, anything and everything that involves needing a press, but you're doing it on the vehicle. Or you're not putting the whole assembly in a actual shop press. I have a shop press. You can see that in one of my other videos of how to use a shop press and a review on it. But this is for when you're pressing in stuff that's still on the vehicle. Like ball joints, or like I said, brake pads, the guides that go in them, or calipers. If they're seized in there. That's how you. And actually they're pressed in by the factory anyways, but. You're supposed to lubricate them so they move back and forth. But over time, somebody doesn't maintain their vehicle and they get rusted in. Or you buy a used vehicle and just how it works. Well, that is pretty sweet. Any of y'all ever bought this master ball joint press from Amazon? Said I didn't buy it, which is sweet, even better. My older brother, like I said, he's a regional manager for Amazon. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Maybe y'all ever use this set? It appears to be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 pieces. So it's a 21-piece set ball joint press. Have any of y'all out there ever used one? Whether it's on Amazon or from your local parts store? I don't see any markings on any of it to say a manufacturer. Kind of weird that none of it's got a manufacturer's name on it. So it's either really good or really junk, huh? Don't know. Well, it doesn't say nothing. Them edges are sharp, boy. Good night. They shave with that. I mean, these edges good. I said you could shave with these edges. Well, let me know in the comments, you guys. I said this is a 21-piece ball joint press set from Amazon. So it was delivered to me. Let me know down in the comments what y'all think. If y'all have used one, like I said, hit the comments down below. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. Y'all have a great day.